Okay, hello there. Here's a quick look at the new fridge we have just purchased. Had it for about a month now, so had a good chance to go right out of it. The Westinghouse WH7074SA 702 litre French door fridge. Let's have a quick look. Right, so there we are there in situation where it sits. This is a nice nice tight fit. Not too tight. There's plenty of space around it for breathing. But yeah, check on websites for the exact dimensions, so it fits in your space if you ever decide to get it. It does need plumbing for the water and ice dispenser, which I'll show you in a second. So make sure you've got allowances for that if you're going to get this fridge. Let's have a look inside. It's a French door, of course. We've only just done a recent shop, so it's probably as full as we're gonna ever have it for a family of 4. Yeah, good little pockets on the side for storing jars and bottles. This is a good feature. It's easily fit. Yeah, 2 large 3 litre bottles of milk. That's your eggs, bits and pieces, all nice and full. It's got your crispers for your fruit, your veggies. This drawer here has the ability to slide back and up, so you can fit larger, taller items if needed. Yeah, all good there. Got the water filter for your water maker, your ice maker. When you first get it, just be aware it takes about 24 hours to make ice, so you just got to let it sit and do its thing. Once that's done, we've never run out of ice yet, and they've used it quite heavily. Nice little compartments here, which honestly haven't used yet. There you go, they slide back, as you can see. Haven't used them yet. But yeah, it might be a little hidey hole for chockies. Hopefully no one sees them. Alright, we'll close that up. Have a look at the freezer section. Our top slider drawer for your smaller, everyday items, I suppose. Kids' lunches. Fits nicely. Bottom larger drawer. Right, as you can see here, we have a larger compartment for all your bigger freezer items. And this is a slider. So this slides in and out as the bottom drawer goes in and out. And as I say, we used to have a pretty large chest freezer. Not needed now because of this. This is just the perfect size. So slide him back in. Slide him back in. Here's a good little feature as well. So when the door is left open, a little sign comes up, door open, and then after a minute or two, the alarm will sound so that you know when the kids left the door open. Here's our readout for our temperatures for the fridge and the freezer part. You can adjust this to suit. Yeah, and then our water and ice. Now this is probably the best feature of this fridge. Yeah, nothing like going straight to the fridge and getting some chilled water. And that's how easy it is. Push in. Just got to press a button for cubed ice. And yeah, this can get a bit. Normally you would tip the water out and put the ice in first, because as you can see, it can get quite a bit messy when you've got big chunks of ice falling in. Whoop, and there you go, on the floor. So we'll try the crushed ice. This will be just as messy and pretty noisy. Crushed ice, but yeah, advisable to put the ice in first and then your liquid in second, so you don't get the splash. So yeah, there you go, the Westinghouse French door fridge with ice and water maker. Yeah, very impressed. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.